To ensure every customer has the opportunity to purchase, we are limiting 12 count cage free eggs to 3 cartons per person due to supply consistency. Thank you for your understanding. Save a lot. 12 eggs is $6.49. 18 pack of eggs is $9.49. And 30 count eggs is $15.29. Yogurt is 64 cents a piece. You got blueberry, vanilla, peach, orange cream, mixed berry, cherry, strawberry, and blueberry. And canned biscuits are $1.99. Cinnamon rolls is $2.49 and $3.29. And crescent rolls are $1.99. Velveeta cheese is $5.49. Butter is $4.59. Blue bonnet butter is 2 for $3. And squeezed kind is $3.49. Cheese is 2 for $5, and then $4.29. Cheese. Folgers coffee is $12.99. We're in the meat department, and now we got pepperoni $5.49. Kielbasa sausage $5.49. Oh, it's ham. Rope sausage smoked $3.99. Kraut $3.29. Johnsonville beef sausage rope $5.49. Robson chili $5.49. Bar S hot dogs 4 packs for $5. We got ham and cheese, and it's $5.49 for Fisher's. Oscar Myers is ham and cheese $5.49. 5-pound deli bologna $9.99. Fisher bologna thick is $2.79. We got our deli kind of ham, and it's $5.99. And you got smoked honey, smoked turkey, Black Forest, all for $5.99. We got bacon $6.29. Field is $6.29. Fisher's is $6.29. We got sausage $7.99 for 21 patties. We have whole fryer chickens $1.69 a pound. We got honeysuckle ground turkey, and it's $11.99 for 3 pounds. We got ground turkey 85% $6.99. Cameron's favorite rice, chicken, and broccoli $1.59 a pack. Beans, pinto beans, $1.59 a pack for 16 ounces. Thanks for watching. We're at Save-A-Lot in Knott County, Kentucky. Thanks for watching. Bye.